Hello and welcome back to the HD Sign Design WSYWYG tutorials. In this design section, we're going to make our menus dynamic by adding audio and by adding video. Up to this point, we have been able to insert our burger, our logo, our slideshow, our marquee, which is our scrolling text. We've been able to create descriptions, prices. We've been able to format our text. We've essentially completed and created a whole menu screen. So now what we want to do is we want to take it to the next level. We want to make it dynamic. How can we do that? By inserting video and by inserting audio. So we're going to come over to the left hand side, which is my toolbox, our handy dandy toolbox, and we're going to scroll down to HTML video. As you can see here, there's a media section inside the toolbox, and you have HTML5 audio, HTML5 video. We're going to go ahead and select the video, drag drop, and I've selected a empty area here within my menu that I want to insert a video. I created a small video snippet of a rotating hamburger, so I want to be able to bring that into my menu. Once I've created my insert HTML5 video box, I want to double click to insert my video. I want to hit browse, and there it is, my spinning burger video is an MP4 video. I want it to autoplay, I want it to loop, I don't want it to show controls. Okay, and I want to mute the audio on it. In case there's any audio on it and you want to mute the audio, you can do that. So when you go ahead and click OK, basically that inserted and that has placed our video inside our menu. Now we want to go ahead and add a background audio. We go back over to the toolbox, we go to the media, HTML5 audio, click drag and drop, and I want to find an empty spot within my menu that doesn't disturb my text. So I have a spot here that I want to place my music. I'm going to go ahead and size it, just get it out of the way with my text. Then I want to go ahead and hit double click on it, so I open up my properties box, I want to hit browse, so I want to select the file, and there it is, my background song. I want it to autoplay, and I definitely also want it to loop, and I don't want it to show controls. Okay, now in this case, like as you see, I've already put autoplay, I've hit loop. In the general, I went ahead and selected the file, so it's properly selected. And I realized I got to go back to my video file and actually deselect show controls, which I've already done. So now that I've went ahead to my toolbox and my media section and inserted both an HTML5 audio and a video section in my menu, now I feel like I've pretty much completed my menu and I've made it very dynamic. So the next step to do is to preview. Always save, just a friendly reminder to always save. But let's go ahead and hit preview. Now, there you go. As you can see, we've completed our menu. We inserted pictures of our food, we inserted our logos, our social media icons, a slideshow of our food, scrolling text, which is also known as a marquee. We made it dynamic by adding a video of a rotating hamburger, and of course, great, awesome background. Thank you. This concludes the design section of the WSYWYG tutorials.